So this is a lap in Australia. We are in the main straight. We arrive around 300 kilometers an hour in the first corner. We arrive in 7, we put third gear, and then it's a very high speed chicane. Then we go up to 7 for the second long straight. We brake in the 100 meters bore, and then we downshift to second, right hand corner, then followed by left. We up 1 gear in fourth, and then this is a right corner, corner 5 that is flat out. Then we arrive to another heavy braking, another chicane, turn 7, turn 8 in full acceleration. Then there is this long corner that we go up to 7 gear again, around 290 kilometers an hour. Another heavy braking, another chicane, now right, left. And then there is one of the longest straight that is not completely straight because you always turn a little bit left. And we arrive to very high speed chicane in 6th gear, left, right, around 250 kilometers an hour. We go up throttle again, 7th gear, and we arrive to long straight again, around 290 kilometers an hour. We brake 3rd gear, and we arrive to the last 3 corners. One right-hander very fast in 4th gear, around 200 kilometers an hour, and the last 2 corners. One left, very small speed, like 50 or 60 kilometers an hour, and the entry of the straight around 4th gear, 200 kilometers an hour in full acceleration. So bumpy circuit, a lot of braking, chicanes, and traction and turning is very important in this circuit.